Hello guys, again this is your host Freddy, Filipino sa America Vlog. Okay, before I start, this is the place where I live for the time being. I'm here at the Marriott Hotel, and it's so fine here to stay. This is in front of Waikiki Beach, where there's so many tourists coming in on a daily basis. Ito sana dapat natin gawin dyan sa Pilipinas na maging tourist hub ang Pilipinas, no? Marami tayo. Hindi lang for one occasion, it's for a daily occasion where pag dumami ang ating mga tourists ay marami tayong income para sa ating mga tao. Lahat ay magiging housekeeper sa mga hotel. At the same time, magkakaroon tayo ng maraming trabaho. Magkikreate tayo ng mga souvenir items katulad dito sa Hawaii. At marami tayong nabibigyan ng opportunity and business opportunity, and we should be kailangan ay very hospitable tayo. Hindi tayo walang ginawa ka dyan kundi sa Pilipinas kundi magmura. At sinasabi nila na marami raw corrupt. Hindi magagawa yan na malinis sa overnight lang. Okay? It is, first we have to improve our education kasi ang ating education is the lowest among 80 countries right now. Okay? Okay. This is the place where I live, you see? Now, this is Marriott Hotel in front of Waikiki Beach. Okay. Now, yung sinasabi ko na ang corruption na hindi magagawa sa loob ng 24 oras, it needs to have a long transition starting from the Department of Education. Ito ang parating inuungkat ni BP Sara at ng mga Duterte at ng Maisog Rally. Ang Maisog Rally ay hindi na dyan nagaganap sa Pilipinas kundi sa ibang bansa na lang. At katunayan, ang atin na lang ay mga 200, 300 na lang. Ano mangyayari doon? Sasabihin nila people's power. Paano magkakaroon ng people's power sa ganong ano? Dito sa Amerika, hindi nakakuha. At sinasabi ko sa inyo, 65% per survey na SWS ay pumapabor sa performance ng ating Presidente Bongbong Marcos Jr. Pinaulit-ulit ko sinasabi sa inyo, si Bongbong Marcos Jr. ay nag-aral dito sa Amerika, dito sa University of Pennsylvania. Okay? Whatever university, once you study here in America, it's much more better than there in the Philippines. And I did study here in America, in Chicago, Harry Truman College, Community College, sponsored by the City of Chicago. At malaki ang aking discounts as a resident of Chicago during those time. Kaya nga ako ay, once na nakapag-aral ka rito, you could work in different places here in America. Okay? Because they believe that you have already acquired one of the best qualification in order for you to start a job here in America, no matter what type of job you got. Okay? And most especially in speaking English, because once you are here, you need to speak English fluently or even articulate, most especially the young professionals. I'm not talking about the elderly kasi ang mga elderly ay parating nakakontra yan. Nakakontra because they cannot express themselves in English. That's the reason why. Okay? So, let's support the administration of Bongbong Marcos Jr. continuously because right now, 65%, just imagine 65% are supporting the president and approving the performance of the President, Bongbong Marcos Jr. And together with all this cabinet secretary na sinasabi ni BP Sara na corrupt. It's too early for her to campaign for the coming election next year. Bakit? Tatakbo ba siya senador? At ano maaari mangyari? It looks like i-impeach for what? For graft. For graft and mental disability. Kasi yung kasi kita niya meron siya ritong gatla. sa neck. Nagtangka, looks like nagtangka siya magpakamatay because of the seriousness of her family problem. And right now, the Dutertes are now out of the 12 senatorial slate there in the Philippines per survey. Okay? So makikita nyo na nawala na ng halaga, buhat na ng unting-unti na nahuli lahat ang mga may kasalanan kung bakit ang bayan natin ay bumagsak. Okay? Excuse me. So, I do hope that we will see again in my next vlog. Your host, Freddy. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye.